One pilot, effortless control. Meet the brand new DJI Agras T55. Spraying capacity is 50 liters. With dual sprinklers, the T55 delivers a massive flow rate of 40 liters per minute, effortlessly adapting to diverse crops like corn, sugarcane, and wheat. For higher volume applications, the T55 supports optional rear quad mist sprinklers. This boosts the maximum flow rate to 50 liters per minute, delivering exceptional high-efficiency spraying, generating fine droplets between 50 and 500 microns. It penetrates deep into the canopy, ensuring comprehensive spraying coverage. And with the new payload indicator light, you can monitor payload volume in real time. The T55 can switch to the spreading system easily. With an 80-liter spreading tank, it efficiently carries a full bag of fertilizer in a single flight. Enjoy calibration-free spreading. You can just call up an operation template for an instant start, delivering a massive flow rate of 400 kilograms per minute. With 5 screw feeder types at your disposal, it handles solid granulars from 0.5 to 10 millimeters. From seeds and fertilizers to aquaculture feed, it adapts seamlessly. The T55 lifting system supports a 40-kilogram payload capacity. Lifting operations support multiple functions, including automatic operation, auto-balance control, cargo obstacle avoidance, and emergency cable release. Equipped with a new generation millimeter wave radar, the T55 captures up to 250,000 points per second. With significantly enhanced power line detection, it executes smooth bypassing. And by continuously recording obstacle data, it delivers on its promise, safer with every flight. The newly upgraded Tri-Vision system delivers 360-degree homeland detection of pedestrians and vehicles during takeoffs and landings. Paired with rich AR display features, it ensures more comprehensive operational safety. Field planning has been further upgraded to support path recording. Just fly a single loop to automatically plan the field, detecting and saving obstacles along the way. Engineered to do more with less, the T55 redefines energy efficiency. Powered by the 20-ampere DB1050 intelligent flight battery, the T55 features a brand new air channel design and an onboard heatsink for efficient cooling, even mid-flight. On the ground, an additional air-cooled heatsink cuts through the heat, ensuring continuous operations without overheating. Compatible with 2 charging devices, it supports ultra-fast charging for extended endurance. Pair it with the 30-ampere intelligent flight battery. Equipped with a 7-inch high-brightness screen remote controller and the 04 video transmission system, it delivers up to a 2-kilometer transmission range. The T55 also supports advanced accessories, including the 04 relay and DRTK3AG. Meet the all-new DJI Agras T55. Easy to use and lightweight for the field.